How to enroll in new course when you are registered and logged in at DIQEM. Go to the Login button, enter your credentials, and log in. Once you've landed on your profile, click on the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner. Then click on Home. Next, scroll down and choose your course. As I choose 50 mock test for civil judge and judicial magistrate course, click on Buy Now button. Click on COD Cash on Delivery and place order. Important instructions. Capture a screenshot of the order confirmation page after placing the order. Subsequently, send it to the official WhatsApp number of DIQEM and inquire about the payment method details. After payment of the course fees, please send the following details via WhatsApp. Registered email address username at DIQEM payment slip. DIQEM provides your education at your doorstep.